I am working at home today from my home office. As you can see here, it is snowy and it is getting chilly here in my office, but I have a space heater here. So I got this for the office here for the house, whatever we need it for. Right now it is showing that it is about 65 degrees in here. I'm gonna turn this on, get it warmed up. I'd like it to be closer to 68 to 70 degrees in the room. It does come with a remote control, which is very nice. You can control all of the functions from here. You can turn it on. So it's got two power modes. So when you turn it on, you've got high or low, and that's just on how powerful the fan is blowing. So that's just, is the fan high or low? And then you've got a timer here, so you can set it on a timer. So if you wanted it to do a timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. Oh, it does 3 hours and then 4 hours. So it goes, and 5 hours. So it goes up to, 6, 7. So never mind. So that's 1 to 7 hours that you can turn it on a timer. You can switch through the temperature here. So you can do 60, 65, 70, 80, 85, or max. That just means it's gonna turn on. It's gonna stay on its max temperature and it's just gonna continue to run. Even if it gets above 85 degrees, it won't automatically kick off. You can control everything again from the remote control here. So I'm just going to turn it on here and then I'm gonna leave it on the high fan setting, but I'm gonna turn the temperature here to, let's just do 70 degrees there. So I'm gonna turn it to 70. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on oscillating, which I can do from the controller here, the remote. So it will move back and forth. And now I'm just gonna wait a few minutes here. I'm going to check back in and tell you about how long it took to fill up or heat up the room here. This is a standard room. It's 10 by 10. Sorry for the mess here. This is my office, kind of my studio where I work, and so I've got kind of things all set up here. But traditional bedroom, 10 feet by 10 feet. So I've got it on. We'll see how fast it can heat up to get it to a more comfortable temperature. That was a lot faster than I thought it would be. The heater's right over there, and I've already got the room up to almost 70 degrees here. So it's 69.8 degrees. Like 5 minutes and the room has heated up really quickly. So the heater works well. It's large, 10 by 10 room. It's gonna up it about 5 degrees in temperature in just a couple of minutes there. So that's really nice. Right now I am sitting right in front of it. I'm trying to get the microphone close to it so you can hear. It is not very loud at all. It's very quiet. Very light, low fan sound, so you can have it running in the background and it's not going to be disruptive or annoying or anything like that. Another feature that I like is when it does reach the specified temperature, it will turn off and stop oscillating. So right now, just to show you, I turned it down to the 65 degree mark and it has stopped. It's powered down and it stopped moving. But if I bump up the temperature here and move it back to 70, now it's gonna kick back on and we should get oscillation. So yeah, now it's gonna start moving again. So once it does heat up to the specified temperature, if you wanted to keep a room at a specific temperature for a period of time, all night, whatever the case may be, you can set it at a specific temperature and leave it on, and it will kick on and off as needed to keep the room that specific temperature that you want it at. So there you go. That is the space heater here. This is the Lasko Space Heater. Hopefully that was helpful.